In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Now TV application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure internet network. Swipe down on your control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn on the Wi-Fi, and make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem like your logins, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Now TV application. Click on Show All and you want to start scrolling until you see the Now TV application. The app we're looking for, simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. If you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.